Hey, what's up everyone? Here's a quick tutorial on how to access your Nimiq Wallet right from your phone. Simply go to your favorite browser, search nimiq.com, let that load up, click on the three lines, then log in, and it'll take you to wallet.nimiq.com, or the hub for now. And I'm going to be using a login file, so click login, drag here or click to import. There we go, click on that, and then it's a photo which I have in my library right here. Here is my login file, so this is the one that I want to log into. Choose that. From here, type in the password to this account. Done. Unlock that. Give it a moment to fetch your addresses. And there you go. Click through that. Okay. And there's your wallet. You can send and receive right from your phone.